Hi everybody, it is November 6, 2022 and it is 70 degrees outside in Oswego, New York, which is like a miracle. So I have my t-shirt on and some overcast. Might get a little bit of rain later, which is good for the plants. So I wanted to let you know what I'm up to today. Kevin had a video about us putting the garlic in the beds in the East Garden, and now I'm putting the shallots in. With the garlic we put 3 across, but with the shallots we're only going to put 2 across, and I'll show you the area and what we're up to. So here in the distance you can see that's where we put the garlic, and over on the opposite side, it's a little shorter bed. We don't use as many shallots as we do the garlic. We're going to put it in this bed here. So before I started to get all my tools together, I did a little measurement, and this row is about 120 feet long. So, nope, that's incorrect. This row is 31 feet long. And so what we're going to do is plant the shallots every 6 inches. And I have a little marker here, a little piece of wood, and it's marked every 6 inches. So that makes it easier. You don't have to have the tape out. And it'll be put close to the drip tape over here on the inside of each. I've separated the drip tape out a little bit so that as the plant grows and makes its mass of shallots, as they divide out, they will not bump into each other. So I was figuring if we're about 31 feet long and we're doing it every 6 inches, that's about 60 a drip tape, and we have 2 drip tapes, so 60 and 60 is 120. That's where I got the 120 in the beginning. So we counted up a bunch of shallots that looked the best and the biggest, putting them in our little bucket here, and I am going to place them in the ground. And with shallots, you don't put them very deep. Kevin's going to be covering this with mulch like he did on the garlic, and starting to rain, and I will go ahead and put them every 6 inches. So I'll get on time lapse. We'll see how it goes, see if they all get in okay. I did put some let me show you here, some staples over the drip tape, because we had like 45 miles an hour wind last night and a bunch of stuff got blown around. So just in case Kevin doesn't get the mulch on top of this, like he did over there in the garlic, you know, right off the bat, and we get winds again, at least the drip tape isn't going to go flying around. It's going to stay in one place. So off to the project, maybe put a raincoat on, and you guys have a great day, and we'll tie in with you on our next project. Bye-bye. Peace and love to all. Spread the joy. Woo-hoo!